Venturing into a small business can be intimidating, but small businesses could be profitable with less risks. Usually with small to moderate capital required, it can often be juggled with a corporate 9-to-5 job or other types of jobs. The key to begin is to limit spendings until profit is realized, to enable possible expansion, and to choose a business that is lucrative in your location or on the internet for online businesses. So here are the top 10 best small business ideas for beginners. Number 1. Catering business. Start a catering business to provide food for functions, events, and parties. 2. Courier services. E-commerce has made a lot of businesses to rely on the delivery of their products. A courier service is a smart business to delve into. 3. Water production. Start a water production company to sell as bagged, sachet, or bottled pure water. 4. Travel agency. Travel is a business that will always be vibrant. People often travel to various destinations once or several times a year, so start a travel agency. 5. Cleaning services. 6. Social media management. With thousands of online businesses, many need a manager to keep all their online activities in check, to enable the smooth running of their businesses online and to preserve appropriate online branding. 7. Fitness programs. Because many people take their physique and health seriously, they are ready to pay for fitness programs aligned with their goals. 8. Professional car wash. This is a great idea if you are in a city or town with a good number of cars. 9. Furniture or interior business. You can work with a good carpenter to create beautiful functional furnitures for clients and decorate their space if you are talented with design concepts. There are several institutions that train people in this field. 10. Consulting services. Offer consulting services to firms or companies in your field. You can also learn about other fields to have vast knowledge in multiple areas. To get more ideas of small businesses, be sure to check out reliable sources on the internet or locally in your region to discover lucrative small businesses that require minimal start-up capital and short turnover time. Let us know what business ideas you have. Share with us in the comment box below.